Welcome to Schneider's Gourmet World's Kitchen. I'm Rachel. This guy over here, he's my husband, and his name is Wes, and he's gonna help me out today.
All right.
So, are you ready to have some fun?
I'm ready to have some fun.
Okay, so we are gonna make, what are we making?
We're making strings.
Okay, so we're making the Kaktus Potato Strings. We're gonna measure out a half a cup, and they don't measure very well, so you'll have to kind of shake your little cup and get them in there. We're gonna turn our burner on. This is our portable burner that we're using, which works great for you guys if you have an induction stove. And we have our coconut oil. So we're gonna put in not five. We're gonna put in 4 tablespoons. 5 tablespoons if you're gonna use a canola oil, which require a little bit more than the coconut. And woo, she is hot. All right, we turned on the burner too soon, but that's okay. So what you want to do is you want to watch for that smoke point, which is actually happening right now, but it's not hot enough. So let's just wait and see. That's the key for making the cactus chips, is you want to watch for that smoke point. You want the oil to be just hot enough so that the chips will perform to its best. So let's, oh yeah, stay there, we settle down. And it looks like we are ready. Perfect. So now we're going to stir back and forth using the stirring mechanism. Just keep turning, keep your lid open so you can see what's going on. Woohoo! All right, now while we're finishing over there, grab some paper towel, line it in your bowl. Have your glass bowl to the side where you're gonna use the lid to secure the chips in the pot and drain out your oil. You just let that drip off. Oh! All right, we'll get those guys later. So the paper towel is there just to soak up some of the extra oil on the chips. And while that is cooling off, we're gonna use dill pickle today. And we're gonna measure out a teaspoon, like so, into our plastic bag. All right, we're gonna get those stragglers. There's one. All right, secure your bag and toss. Then make sure that the seasoning is all around so that each of them gets some of that awesome spice. All right, remove your paper towel from your bowl. And there you have it. Would you like to try one?
I would.
All right, cactus chip potato strings with dill pickle. That was awesome. Until next time, we'll see you later.